We're 6 minutes into the session, and this is a rally by any other name. We've lost a little of the ground, but we're still up 370. That is 1.5%. I want to come into the whole company here. I can count a few factors as to why we're up this morning. Number one, we've got this Remdesivir from Gilead Sciences, which looks promising as a treatment for the virus. Number two, we've got the Fed. Maybe this afternoon they will announce more asset purchases. What that means is lots more money going into the economy. And number three, and this is what I want to concentrate on, I think this market is looking to the other side of the bad economic news that is current. We've got a rotten economy now, but I think the market's looking to the other side. What say you, Susan? Start it off.
I think it's earnings coming in better than expected, at least for some companies, and particularly tech, since we know a lot of the rotation in the bids in the markets in this recovery, this bounce up of 30% from the March lows, is going into big tech names. You know, 20% of the S&P now represented by the Amazons, the Apples, the Googles, and the like. And so you saw Alphabet's earnings yesterday saying that we're doing a little bit better than everybody else, and we still have cash on the balance sheet.
Yeah, I think we have a job on our hands this morning. We've got to explain to our viewers how come the economy is so bad, but the stock market is rallying so strongly. Any ideas on the explanation? Ash, Lauren, what do we do?
Well, Stu, let me jump in quickly. I think, sorry, yeah. Go
ahead, Ashley.
No, go ahead.
I was just going to quote the Boeing CEO.
Painful. Okay.
And the Boeing CEO said, the thaw is beginning. And you have to remember, we got that first quarter decline. I mean, in how fast the economy grew, or in this case, contracted. And we only had the lockdown in the final 2 weeks of March. So the numbers are bad, but we have to remember we created the shutdown because we're responding to the virus. And now we're starting to see the thaw begin. And there's optimism on what the other side looks like.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I do apologize when we talk over each other because there's a gap in terms of when we hear each other. We're all in different locations. It's very difficult to get it straight, but we've been doing well so far, and we'll do well in the future.